Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to go over the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Stitch Fix for the month of December 2020. So we're going to go over the unboxing and try on and all of that good stuff. And if you are stopping by for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and I'm so happy that you're here. Without further ado, let's get to today's video. Let's see what we got first. Okay, looks like we have a cardigan. So here is the one, and this is in the size petite from Bobbio. I'm not sure how to say that. And for those who doesn't know, Stitch Fix is also a monthly subscription clothing and styling kind of box, and you have to pay like $20 for this styling fee, but you will get credit for that one if you buy any of this, or if you like wants to try, and then if you like it, you could buy them and you could use that $20 as a credit for your products. Price on this one is like $58, and this is in the dark pink. $58. Okay, and we also got like more like a brochure kind of thing that has like styling ideas. And this is Jemmy brushed open pocket cardigan from Bobbio. And let's see what we have next. This looks like a t-shirt. So okay, so here is the t-shirt, and here is the back. It has got like that crisscross kind of design in there, and also we have got like these styling ideas. This is GM Revitalize cross back top. Usually their products are kind of expensive, but let's see. That's in the color dark gray, size small, and this one retails for $44. And let's see what we have next. This looks like a really interesting kind of print. So that's the print we are looking at. So this is the skirt, I think of a midi size, and this has got like purple and kind of florally kind of print on that one. And this is what from Jilly, and this is knit midi skirt and in the color purple, and this one cost is $48. And we are off to our fourth product. Okay, so here is the, what is that, legging, and I haven't received the legging so far from the Stitch Fix, so I'm excited to receive this one. So this has got like the side pockets, like one pocket and also the second pocket in here. So this is also from the brand GM, and this is Karma legging and the color in burgundy and in the size medium, and this one is $54. Okay, so oh wow, I received a bag this time. So here is the bag. It's more of a tan kind of color, not tan, maybe like brown kind of color. And here is the hardware. Okay, so we have a crossbody bag in here. So that's the strap that we got. Inside is black and white. That's a surprise. And this is from Model Luxe. So here is one pocket, and here is the inside, which has got like one pocket in here, and zipper and a hidden pocket in there. That's the inside, and here are the pockets. So there is one more pocket in here. Wow. And this is in the color, they say it's dark pink, but it's more of a brown kind of color. And this one retails for $48. Stylist picks up total is like around $252, but if I buy all, they give me a discount of $63, and also there is a credit of $20. If I get all of these, I would have to pay like $169. If I decide to send, and if once I try and if I don't like, I could send them back. Here is the package that we got. We could return that, like just put all the stuff that you don't like and then ship it back to them. And they would charge like for the items that you like. That is awesome. Now let's see, like I want to try them on and we'll see how that one goes. So this one is the crossbody top from GM, and I'm not sure if I really like it because it's not the right length and not even the right size. Usually I get like a really good fitting from Stitch Fix, but this one is kind of like it's not doing anything. It's kind of no fitting at all, and even this one is loose in here. Okay, and this one retails for $44. Okay, now let me try on the cardigan. This is kind of right fit for me because the sleeves, it did fix like a glow whereas this one not very good fitting, but this one is like on point. I like it. So here is the cardigan and here is how it looks, and the fitting is kind of good and even the fabric feels kind of good. Very nice kind of fabric. I really like this one. Okay, and let's see what this one is. One pocket cardigan. Oh, okay. Good to know. So there is one pocket in here. Okay, and this is dark pink and it is for $58. But I'm not mad at it, even though it's $58, because the fabric is kind of knit kind of fabric and it's really good. So I like this one. Okay, let me switch to this skirt and I'll be right back. So here is the skirt. So this is how it looks. It's still my below the knee, in fact. So this is how it looks with the cardigan, and I'm going to take this off just to see like how it looks. And this one retails for Midi skirt $48, and let me try this bag. That is Crossbody Bag. It says dark pink but kind of brownish. So this is how it looks. It looks like I'm ready for summer, but it's still so that is that, and I'm not mad at this one either, so I like that one too. And I'm going to try on that legging. So that is foam high rise karma legging, which retails for $54, and I'll be right back. So this one is really a keeper for me. So it's like very nice kind of material and the length is kind of good. It's like full length, but usually I'm petite, so usually what happens is like there will be not the right size kind of legging and there will be extra fabric in here, but it's not that bad with this one, and the material is like very stretchy and very comfortable, and also it's like I like this material for some reason. And if I sit, like usually it happens like where it would go down, but that's not happening with this legging. So I have like multiple leggings that does it, like when I sit it would fall down, so no dash crack. You can fill it up what I meant. So this is how it looks, and I really like it, and I like the fact that they gave the pockets in here, so that would be really good, like just walking or just chilling. This is really comfortable. I like it. really like it because there are multiple things that I like about it. It's the fabric, it's really stretchy, it has got pockets and what else, when I sit the back doesn't go down, so not what I meant is like this would go like this if I sit for some of the leggings, but this one don't do that. So, and good thing is that it's high waist, so that's one more thing. So I really love this one, and this is a keeper for me. And you know, funny thing is that this do like match with my hairband if you could see. And I think I got this one from FabFitFun in the winter 2020 box. So if you haven't seen that, please go and check it out, and that's fun too. So do go and then check that out too. And love you guys so much, and thank you so much for being here, and be good to each other, stay safe, and see you guys next time. Bye. Well, that's pretty much it guys for today. Hopefully you loved today's video, and if you do, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And I love you guys so much. Be good to each other, stay safe.